We are going skiing tomorrow. We're next room busy waxing our skis that we got for, I got a nice ski waxing kit for Christmas. So he's waxing our skis to prep them for tomorrow.
Hey everyone, so Vincent here. I recently got a ski tuning and wax kit from Demon, and Gretchen got me that for Christmas. So I was going to do a little show of the kit, see what it came with, and then I was going to tune our skis since we're going to be going skiing tomorrow. Now I've waxed skis before, but I was in Jackson Hole on a college budget, and I was waxing skis with a $7 clothing iron from Kmart and the cheapest block of wax I could find at the local ski shop. And it was I think I had one scraper and maybe some Scotch Brite. So it worked. It got me through the season, but it's a little cool having a few more tools. So just the basics. It did come with an iron. This is a nice ski wax iron, so much more nicer than a clothing iron. It came with various files and grinding stones, like tune the edges, deburr the edges. Obviously, we have our scrapers. We have a brass brush. I believe it's for cleaning things up before the rough stuff, before you wax your skis. You have a nylon brush, and then a horsehair brush for the final finish. Obviously, this is just a universal wax, came with the kit, so we'll see how that does, and I need to get some different temp wax. We'll see how it goes. An edge tuner, which is kind of nice to get the exact angles you want on your edges, and then some Scotch Brite. So I guess let's go and see how to do a tuning. Oh, and I do have the instructions nearby because I haven't tuned wax skis in a while, so let's see how we do. First step, it says to wipe down the ski with a cloth to get any remnants off. And yes, I am set up in my dining room because my garage is kind of full of stuff and it's really cold out there. So here I am. Take this little stone and do your base. You can use our edge tuner. So this has two different angle degrees, so you get your edge ones for a little more icy conditions, ones for a little bit more powdery conditions. So since we live on the wonderful East Coast, we're gonna be putting that at the 88-degree angle. So it has the file in here, and it simply has you We're gonna melt some wax all over the skis. And you melt that wax all around. Let that sit and come back to scrape it off. Now that the wax has dried onto the ski, we're going to use the scraper and scrape it all off before we hit it with the polishing brush pressure. So hopefully my skis don't slide around too much because they aren't really secured. Looks pretty smooth. Well, I'm gonna use the Scotch Brite now. You like straight lined it. Oh no.
Yeah.
Woohoo!